following message was transmitted at the request of I don't know who. Meaning of reports of Ruff, Tweet and Dave and Hattie hanging out in the distance of their houses. They're talking about an adventure that they want to go. Stay tuned for more updates.
Huh? Good morning, Ruff, Tweet and Dave. Hattie's here. What adventure we're going on today? Tell your rolly pods. Who was making that sound? I don't know. Must be someone who looks like a bus. Maybe someone has got their interview. Oh, I got a question going on. Let's play. Game time. So, who was making this noise? Tayo, Rogie, Gani. Who do you think is right? Ruff, Tweet, or Dave? Tweet is right.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way. What the hell?
I knew that because I just heard Rogie say that. Well, you know what? Tweet is right.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Who's making that sound now? Oh ho ho, I got a question coming on. Let's play. Game time. Who else was making that noise? The rest of the little cars. Our animals. The planets of the solar system. You know who's right. Ruff, Tweet, or Dave? Ruff is right. I know that because the little buses were making this noise. Ruff, Tweet, and Dave, let's get out of the... We interrupt your regular scheduled programming. This is not a test. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government at the Korean government. In conjunction with Ruff, Tweet and Dave. This is not a test. The little cars are chasing down Ruff, Tweet and Dave and Hattie. This is a dangerous situation. This means the little cars are killing Ruff, Tweet and Dave and Hattie. Stay tuned for more updates. Oh wait, I forgot something. After they kill Ruff, Tweet and David Hattie, they're going to kill all of us in United States of America, North Korea and South Korea.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is the end of the 3 countries. Full details.
message was transmitted at the United States government and the Korean government. The United States and Korean are complete terminal again. Why are they in a complete terminal again? I'll ask you why. I promise you like 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The little cars have killed Ruff, tweet Dave and Hattie. This is the end of the three countries. Gather your friends, family, and praise for the death. We'll play our final playing of these three national anthems. Please stand by, please stand by.